Do you want to live a life like Oprah? This question serves as a powerful entry point into our discussion today about money mindset and financial success. Oprah Winfrey's incredible journey from a challenging upbringing to becoming one of the wealthiest and most influential women in the world is a testament to the power of mindset, perseverance, and smart financial choices. Her story is not just a rags to riches tale, it's a roadmap for anyone looking to improve their financial future. This channel provides insights on building wealth and developing a successful money mindset. If you find value in our content, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. As we delve into the world of wealth building and financial independence, we'll explore key principles that can transform your life. The first principle is understanding that your mindset plays a critical role in your financial journey. Just like Oprah, who faced numerous obstacles yet remained focused on her goals, you too can cultivate a mindset that attracts success. Remember, wealth begins in the mind. Your thoughts shape your reality. The power of mindset. Your mindset is the lens through which you view the world and your place in it. If you believe that wealth is unattainable, you are less likely to take the necessary steps to achieve it. On the other hand, a positive and growth-oriented mindset encourages you to pursue your goals relentlessly. Oprah once said, "The biggest adventure you can take is to live the life of your dreams." This sentiment underscores the importance of envisioning the life you desire. To cultivate a wealth-building mindset, practice daily affirmations. Start each day by affirming your financial goals and reminding yourself of your capabilities. This simple practice can set a positive tone for your day and keep you focused on your financial journey. Additionally, surround yourself with positivity. Engage with content that inspires you, whether it's motivational podcasts, uplifting books, or empowering speeches. The more you immerse yourself in positive influences, the more your mindset will shift toward abundance. Invest in your education. Next, let's talk about the importance of education. Oprah has always emphasized the value of knowledge. By investing time in learning about finance, whether through books, podcasts, or online courses, you equip yourself with the tools to make informed decisions. Education is a lifelong journey, and the more you know, the better your financial choices will be. Consider enrolling in finance courses that cover topics such as budgeting, investing, and wealth management. Many reputable platforms offer free or low-cost courses that can significantly enhance your financial literacy. Additionally, read books written by financial experts. Titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey can provide valuable insights into managing your finances effectively. Remember, the goal is not just to accumulate knowledge, but to apply it. Take what you learn and implement it in your financial life. Create a budget, track your expenses, and start saving for your future. Knowledge is most powerful when it leads to action. Networking, building relationships for success. Now let's touch on the power of networking. Oprah's rise to success wasn't just about her talent, it was also about the relationships she built. Surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals can open doors to new opportunities and provide valuable insights. Attend networking events, join financial groups, or engage in online communities. The connections you make can significantly impact your financial trajectory. Networking is not just about collecting business cards, it's about building meaningful relationships. Seek out mentors who can guide you on your financial journey. A mentor can offer invaluable advice based on their own experiences and help you navigate challenges. Don't be afraid to reach out to people you admire. Many successful individuals are willing to share their knowledge and insights with those eager to learn. Additionally, consider collaborating with others on projects or ventures. Partnering with someone who shares your financial goals can amplify your efforts and lead to greater success. Whether it's starting a side business or investing together, the right partnerships can accelerate your financial growth. Setting clear financial goals. Another crucial aspect of building wealth is setting clear financial goals. Just as Oprah had a vision for her career, you must define what financial success looks like for you. Whether it's paying off debt, saving for a home, or investing for retirement, having specific goals keeps you motivated and focused. Write down your goals and create a plan to achieve them. Use the SMART criteria when setting your goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to save money, specify, I will save $5,000 within the next year for a vacation. This clarity will make it easier to track your progress and stay committed to your financial objectives. Additionally, regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. Life changes, and so should your financial plans. If you experience a significant life event, such as a job change, moving, or starting a family, reassess your goals to ensure they still align with your current situation. The importance of smart investing. Additionally, we cannot overlook the importance of smart investing. Oprah has always advocated for making your money work for you. Research investment options, whether it's stocks, real estate, or starting your own business. Start small and gradually increase your investments as you gain confidence. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Start by educating yourself about different investment vehicles. Consider low-cost index funds or ETFs that track the stock market, as they provide diversification and are less risky than investing in individual stocks. If you're interested in real estate, research how to invest in rental properties or REITs, real estate investment trusts. Furthermore, consider contributing to retirement accounts, such as a 401k or an IRA. Many employers offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money to boost your retirement savings. Take advantage of these opportunities to secure your financial future. Cultivating resilience. Let's also discuss the significance of resilience. There will be challenges along the way, just like Oprah faced when she started her career. Embrace setbacks as learning experiences and remain committed to your financial goals. Resilience is a key trait among successful individuals. They understand that failure is a stepping stone to success. When faced with obstacles, reflect on what you can learn from the experience. Every setback can provide valuable lessons that contribute to your growth. Surround yourself with supportive individuals who uplift and encourage you during tough times. Additionally, practice self-compassion. Understand that everyone encounters challenges, and it's okay to feel discouraged. Instead of allowing negative emotions to derail your progress, acknowledge them and focus on your next steps. Take action. Lastly, take action. Knowledge and plans are great, but without action, they remain just ideas. Implement the strategies we've discussed, whether it's budgeting, saving, or investing. Start small, but start today. Consistency is key to long-term success. To begin, create a budget that reflects your financial goals. Track your income and expenses to gain a clear picture of your financial situation. Look for areas where you can cut back on spending and redirect those funds towards savings or investments. Once you have a budget in place, establish a savings plan. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account each month. Treat savings as a non-negotiable expense, just like paying your bills. Over time, these small contributions will accumulate, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your savings grow. Conclusion. In conclusion, Oprah Winfrey's story is a powerful reminder that financial success is attainable with the right mindset, education, networking, clear goals, smart investing, resilience, and action. You have the power to change your financial future, just like she did. Start taking steps today and watch as your financial journey unfolds. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, the road to financial freedom starts with the right mindset and actionable steps. Keep believing in yourself, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights on building wealth and mastering your money mindset.